Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will write a Python program to check if a given character is vowel or consonant. So, you know what is vowel, what is consonant, right? So, if a character is A, comma E, I, O or U. In our alphabet like A to Z, if the character is like A, E, I, O, U, in that case this is your vowel, all others are consonant, right. So, you know this. Let me comment out, so you will not see any error. Okay. So, this is something we know. So, how we will get to know this one? Through a Python program, we will see that, right. So, one very simple thing is you can use if else condition and you can find it. So, I will show you different approach. So, the very first thing is approach 1. Okay. So, let us see how we can do in 3 different approaches. I will show you. Okay. So, the very first thing what you can do, you can write one simple if else condition. So, first you take the character. Okay. So, character is equal to, you can directly take, for example, character equal to A, or what you can do, you can do the user input also. So, you can write input, enter a character, enter a character. Okay. Then the simple, you will write one if else condition, if character is equal to A, okay, okay, or you can write character is equal to E, okay. Again all these things you should write in a single quote, A, E, then what I will do, I will just copy paste because we have to write for all, na? A, E, I, O and U. Okay. Same thing also we need to write for the capital letters, right. So, what I will do, so here A, E, I, O, U, here capital A, capital E, then capital I, capital O and capital U. Okay. So, if your character is this, then you just print character, character is vowel, okay, else character is consonant, right. So, this is very simple program, right. You just okay give some space here, so you will not see this error. In Python these things you should do, these are not errors, but yeah. Okay, fine. So, let us execute and see. So, first we will enter a character, for example, A. See, character is vowel, okay. Or if you just want to put something like this, you can write character, okay. Let me run one more time, and this time I will put G. See, G character is consonant, right. Similarly, you can run n number of time and you can put, for example, capital E. E character is vowel, okay. So, this is how you can easily check whether a character is vowel or consonant, okay. This is the simple program, okay. I do not have to explain you it again, right, because here we have taken one character variable where we have inserting the value whatever we want to check, Okay, then we are just writing one if else condition, if character equal to A or character equal to E. Basically we are writing the OR conditions. If any condition satisfy, right? So when we are entering E, so this condition got satisfied, character equal to E. When this condition got satisfied, we are telling this is a vowel. If any of this condition is not matching, then character is consonant. Okay, that is what it is happening. So this is one approach. Okay, let me show you another approach. Okay, let me just comment out this one. Okay, let me comment out this and let me just write this. This is your approach to. Here also we will use similar, right? One character, we have to insert one character and then we will check. Okay, so basically here we inserted all these things. This looks lengthy, right? And so many things we have to enter, right? So why not we will create one list and then we will verify. Okay, so let me show you that. So the very first thing what you should do, you should create one list of vowels. So let me create one list, we will name it as vowels is equal to, what we will do, we will form this list. Okay, so what will be the value inside this list? Again the same thing, right? A, E, I, O, U. You can also keep the capital letters. So A, E, I, O, then capital U. Okay, so basically here we created one list and we inserted all the vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U in small and A, E, I, O, U in capital. Okay, then what we will do, we have already one character variable. Okay, so here what we will say, again we will write one, sorry, here we will write one if else condition. So we will say if character in vowels. Okay, simple. If character in vowels, then what we will say, same thing here what we have written, right? You will just print it. Else character is consonant. Again this is the simple thing, right? So let us execute and see. So here let us enter D. See, D character is consonant. Okay, let me just execute one more time and now we will enter U. Okay, U character is vowel. Okay, so basically whatever we did here, this is also same thing, but here we are just creating a list. Okay, and in that list we are entering all these values. Okay, A, E, I, O, U in small also, in capital also. Then we are just putting a if else condition. If this character is present inside this vowel, okay, in this vowel's value, right, then print this. If not, then print this. Character is consonant. Again this is also simple approach. Now I will show you one more approach. Okay, this is very useful. Okay, if in your interview someone is asking you different approach, right, is there any other way, is there any complexity reduction you can do, right, in your program? So can you do that? So maybe you can follow this approach. So for that let me just comment out this and I will show you the third approach. Commented. Now let us see the approach 3. Okay, so here what we will do in your approach 3, what we will do, first we will create one method. So you know in Python when we create one method, we always start with def, right? Then we will write the method name. So we will write the method name as vowel. Okay, and we will pass one argument to this method. So argument name I am giving character, because this is something which we will pass and we will see whether it is a vowel or consonant, right? So for this so we have created one method and inside that method we will create one string. The string name will give us vowels. Okay, and inside these vowels what are the value we will pass? A, E, I, O, U, and in capital also A, E, I, O, U. Okay, then we will check through a if else condition, right, if the character is vowel or not. So for that, what we will do, we will write if, then this string vowels, vowels is nothing but a string, right, vowels dot find method. We will use the find method. What you will find? You will find this character, right. If vowels dot find character is not equal to -1, okay, then what you will say, you will just say print okay, else consonant. That's all. Okay, now we'll just call this method. Okay, so before we call this method, what we will do, we will write character is equal to input, enter a string, okay, then here what we will say, we will just call that method, this while method, right, and we will pass this character. Okay, that's all. Now we will execute it. Here you can say enter a character, which character basically you want to check, right? Okay, now let me execute. I'll explain you, don't worry. So the character will enter, for example, E. So E character is a vowel. Okay, let me run it one more time, and now we will enter, for example, D. D character is a consonant. So you got it, you are getting the right result. Okay, so what is happening here? So basically we are creating one string. Okay, so this vowel is your method to check, or you can say it as each vowel. Okay, you have one each vowel method, and if you are changing this method name, here also you have to change, because this is the method name, right? Okay, so basically here you have taken one string, and inside that string you have put all this A, E, I, O, U, and capital A, E, I, O, U. Then what you are doing, you are checking if vowels, this vowels is nothing but this vowels having this strings dot find this character, which character, whatever you are entering, for example here D is not equal to -1. What this find method does, so basically this find method is called on the vowel string to check if the input character is present in the vowel string or not. If the character is found in the vowel string, the find method returns the index of the first occurrence of the character in the string. If character is not found, in that case find method will return -1. Okay, so in this case, when this character, this D is not found, it will return -1. Okay, and then we will say it is a consonant. Okay, if it is, for example, A, E, I, O, U, or whatever present here, right, in that case it will be vowel. So again, this is also very simple way, but here we are using this find method. Okay, maybe in your interview they can ask if you can use find method, and then you can find it, right? So this is also another way you can find, okay, whether a particular character is vowel or consonant. Okay.